I know y'all know this color and fall go together real bad. Like, I know you know. This color, these kinky curly curls are giving everything I wanted to give. And she's glueless. She's a wear and go wig. I'm gonna need y'all to stay tuned for the hair details and for this easy install. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Ash Takeoff, and today is all about this Unice Wear and Go 20-inch kinky curly wig. Y'all, she came ready to wear. Listen, I'm an advocate. I love a ready-to-wear wig, and this color is perfect for this time of the year. I know y'all know. Look at it. This how she came straight out the box. Did y'all see how they don't swoop to do with the baby hairs? I didn't even touch the baby hairs, y'all. I left it exactly how they gave it to me. This is the construction. That's the inside of the wig, and this is a close-up on the pre-cut lace. All you have to do is add your foundation shade, and we're gonna do that. But let's take a moment for this hair. You know the curls are gonna be good when they come out looking like some ramen noodles, okay? I don't know what my brush is, so I just use my sponge to add a little bit of my foundation shade to the edge of the lace, and we're just gonna throw her right on. And this is how she looks when you add your foundation shade. Y'all, I would wear this hair just like this straight out the box, okay? The curls are pretty, but you know we're going to define them, right? Right. I had a little silly moment, so excuse me. Can y'all tell? I'm just very happy and so in love with this hair. But this is how she's looking. I like to kind of feel for the hairs, you know, see the texture, how it's feeling. It was soft, no smell. And overall, I have no complaints about this hair whatsoever. Like, seriously, this is a close-up of how that looks, and now we're just about to get into these curls. So I did do one side off camera, and this is me going in with a spray bottle with a little bit of water in it. So once I use my water, I like to go in with mousse. Y'all, this is a great curly hair combo. It's kind of like a 1-2 punch, you know what I'm saying? So go ahead and lightly spray it with water and then go on top with some mousse and you're good to go. One tip and suggestion, always finger detangle first, then go in with a styling brush or a styling comb. I use a dimming brush after I finger detangle the mousse through. Doing this helps with less shedding, way less shedding, because you're basically doing most of the work with your fingers, and it helps to get those curls separated, so when you do go in with like a dimming brush or a powder brush, it's easier to brush that product straight through and get those curls really popping. So I'm just going to continue to define the curls, and then I'll come back to you guys at the end to talk about this hair. Once I define the curls, I like to go in with my Garnier Fruit Tea Sleek and Shine Serum. I'm laughing because sometimes I get the S's all jumbled up, but this is amazing for anti-frizz. It smells really good, and it is a lightweight serum that you can use on these curls. I personally like to apply it while the hair is damp. It kind of gives it like, I don't know, I just feel like it helps it when it dries, or you can wait till your hair is fully dry. It really doesn't matter. My preference is just to do it while it's damp, but I know y'all see this hairline. Pre-plucked, it came pre-cut, it came ready to wear. Shout out to Unice. All the information on this hair will be down below, y'all. This color is given. These curls are given. I'm just so excited to wear this hair out, style it up, and remember she's glueless, so I can take it off, put it on. Who's gonna know? Nobody's gonna know. Well, y'all know now, but y'all get my point. But yeah, that is it for this video, y'all. If you made it this far in the video and you found it helpful, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. That lets me know that you like the content, you like the video, you like the hair, you like something. You know what I'm saying? Just let me know. Give me some feedback and comment down below what you guys think. And yeah, as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, y'all.